Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw 300-degree angle by using compass. So constructing 300-degree angle. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here a straight line of any length. And now pointing out here to draw 300-degree angle on this point. Now putting the compass on the point and taking any radius and drawing here a arc by this way. Okay, now putting the compass here and taking same length and cut here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. Okay, with same length and putting the compass here and cut here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. Okay, now pointing out here. So now joining this to get 300-degree angle. So we got 300-degree angle. So this is P, Q and R. So this is now checking whether it is 300 or not. So this is 300-degree angle, 180 degree plus 120 degree. Okay, so this is 300-degree angle. So this is therefore PQR. So angle PQR equal to 300-degree angle. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend.